Hey guys, hello from Epcot. Behind me is Test Track and we are getting ready to try it out today. Today is the pass holder preview day. We tried to get on the queue this morning at 7 with no luck, but we were able to get in the park before 1 o'clock and we made it on the queue. Unfortunately, our number is 120, so that means we're probably getting called later tonight. However, we do have some lightning lanes that we're going to use, so let's go. I'm with Vicky Vlogs and Marky Mouse, my honey right there. Today the lightning lane was only $18 for the day. So our first lightning lane is actually Frozen. We're really excited because we can never get on Frozen. Those lines are usually a good 45+ minute waits. So we are so happy that we're getting on. You can imagine the park is busy today because of pass holders. I'm pretty sure it is a super hot day, but we're all here trying to get our first peek at that ride. We're going in. The line is huge, guys. 55-minute wait, and we are walking right in to the lightning lane. We're a tiny bit wet because we were in the first row and you get wet a little bit. Vicky's definitely wet. You come out right into this really cool store. So you've got a lot of like Norwegian type of clothes. You also have some Frozen goodies that you can take home, like the Frozen toys right here. I think that's a gnome. I'm not sure, but you are greeted by this guy here at the store. He's been here forever and you can take some photos with him. So something I keep forgetting to tell you guys, that once you get lightning lane for the day, you have 3 at any given time. And once you use one of those 3, you can add another one. So we've got 3 again, and we're headed to Soarin now, which is another one of those rides that usually has an hour plus wait. So we're excited that we're able to get on. You know, no good day at Disney is done without some popcorn, some delicious Disney soda.
And then banana chocolate, what? Chocolate covered bananas and peanuts.
You gotta have some of the Disney snacks. They're worth it, guys. We're headed into Soarin, which has a pretty long line right now. The line goes all the way to the entrance almost. Headed to the seas with Nemo and Friends, guys. Most days it doesn't have too big of a line, but I imagine that days like today where it's really busy, it is going to have more of a line. So we have a lightning lane for it as well. Don't forget to check out Vicky Vlogs. She's also vlogging today's adventure. It's not too bad of a line today. It's 15 minutes, but we still went ahead and used our lightning lane. And anything you can do to get out of the sun on days like today, do it. It is hot.
Let's go explore the big blue world.
Mr. Ray, we can't explore without Nemo.
I'm sure we'll see him any minute now.
Nemo!
See who?
Why did you run? ready to rock!
So when you come out of Nemo and Friends, you've got this whole area here where you can explore the real sea life and some manatee, which I'm going to see if they're there today. If you have little ones, you have to bring them in here. This is Bruce's Shark World. And they can come in and play around. It's super, super cool in here. We're headed upstairs because upstairs you can get a really nice view of all of the sea life that they have here. They even have sharks, guys. So headed up the escalator. You can also get a glimpse of the manatee from up here, or the manatees, because you guys saw that there were 2 of them. Let's see. Oh, here we go. The little one. Got a hammerhead. There's another person right there. See the bubbles? There's a second person right there. In case you didn't know, there are some packages where you can come in and dive in this aquarium that we're watching right now. I haven't seen anybody in here other than cast members today, but Mickey also takes a dive once in a while. It's really cool, and it's just such a great way to cool down, get away from the heat, relax, and just watch the awesome fish. Anyway, we're starving. It's time for pizza. And I'm going to recommend to you what we think is the best pizza when you're at Epcot. And no, it's not at the Italy Pavilion, much to your surprise, I'm sure. I told you that the pizza place we love to come to is not in Italy. It is here at Connections Cafe, guys. This is the best pizza. It's got a great flavor. You get 2. They're pretty large, so you get filled up. And the pizza over at the Italian Pavilion, I don't know. I just, no offense, I don't find it to be tasty. It's very like doughy, I want to say, so it's thick. I like a thin, crispy pizza, and I like a lot of flavor. And unfortunately, we've tried now the pizza window at Italy. We've tried Via Napoli several times, and guys, this is the pizza to have. It's cheaper too, tastes better. Just try it when you're here. I have half of a Liege waffle here. If you're gonna have dessert, I know it's weird, have the waffle. It is the best dang waffle you will have. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, fresh strawberries, chocolate, and whipped cream. Ooh, so good. Took a peek over at Mission Space, and unfortunately the ride is closed for now. We're not gonna lose our lightning lane. Once it comes back up, we can use our lightning lane. But Spaceship Earth only has a 5-minute wait, so we're gonna head in that direction. In case you're wondering, Spaceship Earth is the big ball that you see when you first come into Epcot. Right there in all her glory. Much to our surprise, there actually is about a 2. Thank you. There actually is like a 40-minute wait for Spaceship Earth after all. So we went ahead and redeemed another one of our lightning lanes. We got it within 5 minutes.
Checkups just like taking a smart pill with your vitamins. At the start of your body, they can keep track of your vital signs, making sure you get the ultimate workout. should I say the beginning, of your future.
Guys, very exciting times because we were just called for our queue a whole hour before the time that we were expecting to be called. So we're excited. We've been here all day. We've been kind of waiting and writing some things, resting. So it's time. Let's go check out Test Track. So in case you guys don't know, this is the third reiteration, the third version 3.0 of Test Track. This is the third time that the ride changes. It actually closed down a little bit over a year ago. It closed on June of 2024, and it's going to be reopening on July 22nd. But for the next week or so, they're doing the pass holder previews, which is why we're here today. If you're ever here joining a virtual queue, you actually have up to an hour to get to that spot. So they give you that hour window. We just got our signal that it's 8 o'clock, by the way, 8 o'clock. And we need to be there before 9. We're headed there already because we're excited and we've been waiting too long to see this. It's still blocked off, so nobody can come in. You do have to show the virtual queue that's on the app before they let you in. But listen to that. It is magic to my ears. So excited!
Or like leather. Like tires. Smells like tires.
Very clean virtual queue. And you can still see that there's a Chevy car right there. So it is sponsored by General Motors. We're never going to see the queue like this again. What? We're never going to see it like this again.
No, we're not.
The seatbelt check is around the corner. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle. And please, supervise children. Thank you. We've always been dreaming about the road to tomorrow.
And now, we've set a course for the future.
Advanced cameras and sensors, vehicles are constantly scanning the road ahead, helping to prepare us for any surprises.
Hang on!
Nicely done. Roads are just the beginning. Imagine being able to customize your vehicle at home.
What about this one?
Good choice. Now let's see how it looks.
Oh, let's try another. That looks good with the third row.
Let's
We just got off the ride. It is amazing. I've always loved that ride. The track is still the same. It's very futuristic looking now. They did remove some parts, like you used to be able to go into an area and actually like make your own model, and that's no longer a thing. But I still love it. It's a great ride. I love how futuristic it is, and there's like this area where you see, I don't know, like cars flying. It looks like you're in space. It's pretty spectacular. And then you take off from there. Sponsored by GM. So when you come out here, you've got some of those General Motor cars that you can check out. So this area changed as well because the cars used to be kind of spread out, but now they are all in their own little nook. Definitely a lot simpler, and that seems to be the route that Disney's taking lately. Simpler, sleeker. You know, we're moving into the future. The ride is still a great ride. It's just a little more simple, like I said. I'm wondering if in the future there's going to be other cars here, because you can see all this space behind me is empty. So maybe they're planning on bringing more cars later. After all, this is a pass holder preview, and you guys know how previews go. Sometimes there's things missing and it's not completely done when you come in for that pass holder preview. So I'm not sure if this area here is going to be a little interactive. I doubt it. I have a feeling it's more like the store, but right now everything is covered up, which is why I think it's probably just the store, not any interactive areas. Yep, that says Test Track Gear Shop, so obviously that is the store. And it looks like they rearranged it as well. It doesn't look the same. I'm gonna call it a night, and thank you guys for watching me. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I hope you enjoyed viewing the new Test Track. I hope you guys also get to ride it when you're here. Leave me a comment below. What did you think? Don't forget to leave me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you on the next one. Have a great day.